students, welcome to another beautiful day of class. Today in our spelling class, we are going to work with the exercises of book page 38 and 39. During all this week, we were working with the spelling list number 20. Today is Friday, August 21st, 2020. So we were traveling around all the world through this list. We were visiting some places like United States, like Australia, like Brazil and other countries. And we also enjoy a lot of food of each of those countries. So today we are going to complete the exercises of book page 38 and page 39. First, on page 38, we are going to work with the exercise Think and Spell. The exercise number 1 of Think and Spell. And first you have two different lines that you're going to write two spelling words that are large bodies of water. So in our spelling list number 20, we have bodies of land and we have bodies of water. But which are the two words that represent large bodies of waters? The first one is Pacific Ocean, and the second one is Atlantic Ocean. The oceans around the world are bodies of water. Then in the other side, we have four lines, four spaces, about words that are languages. So you're going to write there four different words that are languages, four words from your spelling list, number 20 that are languages. And we have Japanese, English, Spanish, and Chinese. Those four words are languages. Now, continue with the next exercise on page 39. On page 39, we have exercise or activity number 2. Read and spell. We have 4 sentences, but we are going to work in a correct way each one of the words that are miswritten in each of the sentences. For example, in sentence number 1, my grandparents were born in Canada. That's incorrect because the correct form is Canada. So you're going to write in the line the correct word. Then in England, people speak English. So the incorrect word here is the word England. So you're going to write them correct. The same here, the incorrect word is the word Japan because it's just with one letter P, not with double P. And Spain here because we write the names of the countries with capital letters. On the next page, continue on page number 39, first we have the ABC order as the number 3. Exercise number 3, page 39. So we are going to write the names of the countries and of the one continent that we have here in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, in that order. So the first word here is the word Africa. That's the first word. Then we have Australia, then we have Egypt, then we have Germany, then we have Iceland, and in the other side, we have Brazil, Mexico, North America, South America, United States. The last activity is about the extra vocabulary words. We have 5 different extra vocabulary words this week. And the first one is geography, the one that means the study of the earth. Then we have continents, large bodies of land. Globes, a round map of the earth. of the earth. Then we have the word foreign, from another country that is not from this place. For example, if you're visiting Mexico, you're a foreign person there because you're from Honduras, not from Mexico. Then we have atlas, a book of maps. So, what you're going to do is that on exercise number 4, you are going to write the correct word in each one of the sentences. For example, in the number 1, Jessica's favorite subject is the study of the earth. So, what is the study of the earth? Geography. Yes, that's correct. So, then in the number 2, can you name all the largest bodies of land? Continents. Yes. These coins are from another country. So that means that they are foreign coins. Jackson is studying his new book of maps. Book of maps means atlas. And the last one, can you find the United States on the round map of the earth? I'm going to put the definitions in another color so you can notice them in a better way. The study of the earth, the bodies of land from another country, book of maps. Those are the definitions of each one of those words, and the round map of the earth. That's everything that you have to do in today's spellings activity. I hope you understood what you have to do. I hope you are fine at home. Please keep safe at home. Don't get outside. And please take care of yourself. Take care of your relatives. See you until next week. Have a nice weekend. I love you. Hugs and kisses.